If you saw my 10 do's for completing the master cleanse, then you already know the good. But do you know the bad and the ugly? In this video, I got you covered with the 10 don'ts for completing the master cleanse. My heart's in the sky, supernova. What is up, Nova Nation? My name is Vana SUPERNOVA, and I have another master cleanse video for you guys. Master Cleanse 101 is a new series on my channel where I'll be journaling my journey through detoxing as well as helping others on theirs. So don't forget, check out the How to Master the Master Cleanse playlist right here for more master cleanse videos, as well as my personal journey through the lemonade detox. So let's get it. Number 1, don't quit. Every day will get better. So as soon as you feel like enough is enough, I can't do it, and that may be 5 hours into day 1, don't quit, you guys. Check out my journey. I really felt like quitting. I felt like I couldn't do it. I felt like it was impossible. Day 1, I was so mellow. Day 2, I was so mellow. Check out my day 9. Like, I was turned, I was lit, and I could have gone longer. However, I mean, it's just a journey you'll enjoy if you just stick it through. Number 2, don't cheat. No snacking, no eating, no chewing on anything. All that is cheating, okay? This is a liquid cleanse. If it ain't maple syrup, lemonade, cayenne pepper, if it ain't the tea, if it ain't the salt water flush, it's canceled. All that's canceled, sis. No snacking on the go because you feel like you're gonna pass out. If it's something that your body cannot handle, your body cannot handle, but you're not gonna be eating and calling it the master cleanse because that ain't the master cleanse, sis. Number 3, don't do the salt water flush on the go. Like, y'all can thank me now, y'all can thank me later, but at least I said it, okay? Someone needed to say it. Don't do it on the go because you can't hold it in. Trust me, this is not a regular bowel movement. This is some kind of like flush. This is literally a flush. Your body is literally expelling the waste out your body, and it's nothing that you can control. It's beyond your control. If you feel like you have gas, trust me, it's not gas. It's not. Don't set yourself up, and don't say Supernova did not warn you. Tip 4, no heavy lifting. If that's a requirement of your job or at school, you're just gonna have to find some time that you're off or that you have a break from classes that you can detox, because no heavy lifting, you'll pass out. You don't have the strength to do it. The actual nutrients you get from the cleanse, the detox, whatever you wish to call it, it's not enough to give you that boost that you'll need to have that muscle. It's not recommended, which leads me to 5, don't go into the cleanse thinking you're gonna lose X amount of pounds. There's a difference between goal setting and having an expectation, and while it's good to set goals for yourself, don't go into it expecting to lose that much weight, because usually with goal setting you have a goal that's higher than what you really want. You have something that you're content with, but then you also have like, that's hashtag goals, right? So it's okay to goal set, but do not expect like, I have to lose 10 pounds because she lost 10 pounds. You may lose 12 pounds, you may lose 9 pounds. Everyone's body is different. And so just because I lost a certain amount of weight in 10 days, doesn't mean you'll lose the exact same. You may lose more, you may lose less. And all that is okay. Any weight is good weight, right? Just don't lead yourself into disappointment, and also know your why. Losing weight is not a really good why when starting the master cleanse. You're gonna wanna have a bigger why than that. Otherwise, you'll find yourself gaining that weight back. Number 6, don't listen to naysayers. Anyone who says you can't do it, anyone who says it's not healthy. Detoxing and cleansing has been proven for centuries. There's actual research and documentation pertaining to detoxes and cleansing, such as the master cleanse. They don't recommend you go over 40 days. They actually recommend you see your physician prior to starting. So everybody's body is different. I'm not saying that you can go as long as Amy Sue can go, but everybody's body has its own limits. And it's not to say that you cannot detox. So next time you see a hater, if you know your why, nothing they say should matter. This is your journey, and other people may not understand why you're doing what you're doing, what you're doing, who you're doing. Like, they're just not gonna get it, and that's okay. It's for you. It's for you. So always remember that. Number 7, do not drink just the lemonade. Water is equally as important, if not more important. Our body is composed of mainly water, If you don't drink water, you're gonna have that concentrated urine. You're still gonna have that back pain because your kidney may still feel dehydrated. It's just not safe. That's why I always drink I promise you, I almost drank a gallon of water per day. I found myself flushing and drinking so many fluids. You need those fluids. You need water. There's never a reason not to drink water. I don't care what detox it is. Never go without water. You need it. And the lemonade by itself is not sufficient to hydrate you. Number 8, do not skip any steps. There are no shortcuts with the Master Cleanse. It is what it is in black and white. You may put this much maple syrup in yours. I may put this much cayenne pepper in mine. I may drink this amount, you may drink that amount, but the basics of the cleanse stay the same. There are no shortcuts. There's no easy way out of it. You have to complete the days you set out to complete. At least I hope you do. And then at the end of the day, you're gonna feel amazing for it. Number 9, do not overextend yourself. Listen to your body. It'll tell you what it wants. If your body cannot go any longer, stop. Listen to your body. It'll let you know when it's time to cut. And when it's time to cut it, it's not worth trying to continue. You'll do more damage than good. Which leads me to tip number 10. Do not sleep all day. You have to keep that blood flowing. So I'm not telling you to go on a marathon run. What I'm telling you is to make sure you're getting up every 90 minutes. Make sure, get your body moving, get the blood flowing, go for a walk around the block. Do what you gotta do to make sure you still got them joints moving, because you're gonna feel fatigue all day. There's not gonna be a moment that you're probably not gonna be fatigued until your body adjusts to the cleanse. Bonus tip. Make sure you check out the 10 do's for completing the Master Cleanse. That video is supplemental to this one, so if you watch this video, you're gonna watch the other one and vice versa. Both tips serve as somewhat of a checklist so that you make sure you have all your T's crossed and your I's dotted. I got y'all. So question of the day, let's talk, you guys. So now that you know what to avoid, what have been your biggest detox mishaps? How did you overcome them? Leave your response in the comment section below. Don't forget to share the love. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up so I know to make more like it. Please like and share, and if you loved it here, please consider subscribing. I'll see you guys later. Bye, y'all.